2017, MotoZ approached us and asked us to test out some tyres. So they sent us these. This is the Tractionator GPS. We had them on both bikes. We ran them from, the reason they asked us to test them out was because we were going to go through a lot of terrain. So we rode two DL650s through America, Mexico, Guatemala, Cuba, and now Colombia. And this is a new tyre. We got just over 19,000 kilometers, 11,500 miles on them. They probably had 1,000 kilometers left on them. We ride them with the more aggressive. You can switch this tyre. It could be a 50-50 or a 60-40. We ride it with the 60-40 so it has more grip. And we've ridden in rain, snow, ice, through rivers, rocks, sand, dirt, shale, river rock, pretty much anything and everything that you would, if you're going to go do sport riding, off-road, adventure, whatever, not full-on enduro riding, and it held up every single place that we went without fail. We're now in El Cancun. Up there, that's the glacier, that's the Rita Cuba glacier. So we're on like a shale, kind of dirt, sand, horrible crap, made slate. On my tyre, this is the Tractionator Adventure. This is the Tractionator GPS. So what we're going to do now is we're going to test one tyre against the other, same bike, loaded the same, riding the exact same places, same conditions, to see how the two hold up against each other. We're going to guess that one is going to get a few thousand kilometers more than this one, but this has, the grip on this is absolutely incredible. And even on the pavement, still good grip. But we ride probably 60-70% off-road, and we look for specific off-road tracks. So this is the new tyre to try out. We're both running the Adventure front tyre, so the front ends are going to feel the same. The back ends, GPS versus Adventure. We'll see how we get on, and I'll do a review when they get worn down to the nose.